Hey you guys, welcome back to my latest tutorial. Now I'm so excited about this one. From my videos, you can see that I am all about AI. I'm sort of like focusing mainly on Midjourney and video generation while trying and testing different apps. But today is going to be about creating a music from start to finish. We're going to be using AI to create a song for us. Now, guys, I've just been playing with it briefly because I knew I was going to create this tutorial, so I didn't want to use up all my free credits. But like a couple of songs that I've created, and you know what, I've done it just for the loved ones. But you know what, like the response is really good. Like they're all saying, "Wow," like it's quite good for what it is. Obviously it's going to get better and better as the time goes on, but I think for what it is, it's amazing. Guys, so we're going to be using an app called Suno AI, and this is the website here. And you can take a look at the showcase that I have, and I believe there should be um, somewhere planned as well. Like you can actually listen to a few songs, what other people created, and yeah, I already saw plans, but I don't know. Try Notion. Um, Guys, like just, oh, okay, so I don't know. Okay, well, play around with it, play around with the website, see whether you can actually find out, how much it is. At the moment, I don't really see it here, but I already saw it. I just don't remember where. So, guys, Suno AI, and again, it's using Discord. Now, if you are using Midjourney or any other um, AI apps, you will know that they are using Discord. But instead of imagining, as we do with Midjourney, we're going to be chirping, chirping. Okay, guys. So this is like the homepage of Suno. So we're going to be needing this bar as well here on the right, and I will tell you later why. So this is how you get that bar up. So when I first sort of logged in, I didn't see this. So it took me quite a while to figure out how to turn it on. So this, show member list. And here is all my, obviously I'm already with Midjourney. So this is my Midjourney bot. And then I'm going to go to Suno. Yeah, so we've got all these channels. You can actually just pop into any of these and start creating your songs. But I like to be very, very private, so I sort of am going to message the bot privately. So I'm just going to click on here, Suno Chirp bot, and I'm just going to message it, guys. So we are using the same command as with other AI apps, but we're just going to add chirp. Chirp. So click on it, and now we've got the bot, the messaging bot open. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to open my Chat GPT because you can actually use the Chat GPT directly from here, and I will show it to you later. But I'm just more comfortable with this one. Don't ask me why. So we're just going to create the first song. Okay, so I've really realized that this is really good with like a love songs. It creates very, very beautiful beautiful melodies. So let's maybe, I love autumn, so let's just sort of like maybe create a song about the beauty of winter, beauty of autumn. So write a song, write a verse and chorus about beauty of autumn. Yeah, and let's see what it does for us. Okay, so for some reason it actually added me journey to it. Never mind. Um, okay, well, let's do don't add me journey to it. I don't know, because obviously all my everything in ChatGPT is about me journey, so don't add me journey to it. Just about autumn in general. Okay, fantastic. So I'm happy with this. I'm just going to copy this, and we're just going to get started on here. So I'm going to, guys, I'm going to do chirp one more time. And now look what happens. So you're going to get this box up here. So I'm just going to do like a love song because it's quite nice. It does very, very nice melodies. And I'm just going to enter your own lyrics. But guys, here you can also, sort of like add the same prompt. Actually, you know what? Let's just try it. See what would happen, whether it would give us better or the same results. So if I now submit it, okay, guys, so the bot is thinking. I'm going to pause this video for until it's generated. It will be under 2 minutes, but I just don't want to keep you. So I am just going to pause it and then get back to you once it's done. Okay, guys, so we chirped our way through two songs. As you can see, they're both here. And it was finished in 92.41 seconds. So under 2 minutes, you've got a brand new song. How amazing is that? Now, if you remember, we sort of like did lyrics in the outside of the bot itself. So we did it in ChatGPT, but I also input some lyrics here, and it actually created. So basically, it's the same thing. So it actually added these, and then it added their own on top of that. Okay. So, but otherwise, they're sort of the same, as you can see. So amidst the seasons change, a canvas so divine. Amid the seasons change, a canvas so divine. Okay, let's have a listen to both.
Amidst the seasons change, a canvas so divine. Dawn's beauty paints the world, a masterpiece in time. Leaves of red and gold beneath the clear blue sky. In the crisp and cool embrace, we can't help but sigh. Oh, the beauty of autumn, a sight to behold. Nature's finest artwork, a story to be told. As the days grow shorter and the colors bloom, in the heart of fall's embrace, we find our room. Autumn arrives with hues.
Well, I love it, guys. I don't know. What do you think?
Amidst the season change, a canvas so divine. Autumn's beauty paints the world, a masterpiece in time. Leaves of red and gold beneath the clear blue sky. In the crisp and cool embrace, we can help but sigh. All the beauty of autumn, a sight to behold.
Well, I am impressed with both of them, guys. So the way we would then download it, we would simply click on download, and it would get us the song. So then we can just press open file, and you can send it anywhere.
Change, a canvas so divine. Autumn's beauty paints the world, a master.
How amazing is that? Okay, so let's try one that would be a little. Oh, another thing, guys. So then you can actually continue your song. And the only problem was that I was trying it yesterday, it wasn't working, but basically you choose which one you like better. So I think I like number 2 better, and it's now getting a full clip. So we now have, okay, so we didn't have to continue. So we now have a whole song now. So let's just have a listen.
Amidst the season change, a canvas so divine. Autumn's beauty paints the world, a masterpiece in time. Leaves of red and gold beneath the clear blue sky. In the crisp and cool embrace, we can help but sigh. All the beauty of autumn, a sight to behold. Nature's finest artwork, a story to be told. As the days grow shorter, the colors bloom. In the heart of fall's embrace,
So as you can see, guys, the whole song is much longer. It was actually
find our room.
40 seconds. Let's take a look.
All
Yeah.
the beauty of autumn.
Yeah, well, I'm so impressed. Okay, okay, guys, let's try one more. So let's sort of maybe, I don't know, like see whether we can actually personalize it a little bit more. So chirp, and I'm going to do country, and have ChatGPT, so oh, okay, so my grandma my grandma is the best grandma in the world. In the world, and let's her name is Betty, and she tells beautiful stories. Okay, beautiful stories. Right, okay, so I've done some mistakes here. So let's just end. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so we're going to be submitting it and then I'll get back to you once it's generated. Okay, so let's have a quick listen about Grandma. So this finished in 76 seconds. So that's really under 2 minutes. It's just above 1 minute. Okay, let's have a listen.
My grandma Betty, she's a real light with a heart so pure, shining oh so bright. Sitting by her side in a rocking chair, she tells stories that whisk me away to anywhere. Oh, my grandma Betty, the queen of grace. Her words like honey bring a smile to my face. But with each tale she shares, I'm filled with love.
I like it.
My grandma Betty.
I like it, guys. Let's have a look at the second one.
My grandma Betty, she's a ray of light with a heart so pure, shining oh so bright. Sitting by her side in a rocking chair, she tells stories that whisk me away to anywhere. Oh, my grandma Betty, the queen of grace. The words like honey bring a smile to my face. With each tale she shares, I'm filled with love. My grandma Betty, the best grandma in the world, unmatched by any.
Guys, so by the way, one thing that I forgot to say, you can always regenerate. Yeah, so this is the same button as you would have on Midjourney. So you can regenerate if you don't like any of them. But of course, then if you like one of them, like, okay, number one. So it's then now getting a full clip. And then again, you can just download like that and you can send it to anyone because it's so short and fun. Literally.
My grandma Betty, she's a real light with a heart so.
I mean, probably I would sort of re-roll this couple of times and I would probably like maybe give it more personalized words about my grandma. Unfortunately, my grandma, she's no longer with us, but you know, I have the nicest memories of her. So yeah, so that's the thing. Now, guys, let me just try one thing whether we would be able to do to see how you know, like how much this app is, because with Midjourney you can sort of like add subscribe and it sort of like takes you to subscribe. Okay, so you can actually go to your account, visit site, and let's see if it brings us to continue with Discord. Authorize. I actually can't remember whether I was signing up for this. I think I was, but because I already have a okay, so I'm on a basic plan and pro plan is actually £10 a month. So you've got 100 chips. Yeah, okay. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know whether at the moment what I would sort of like do with the paid subscription. I mean, it's fun, but I think for me personally, the free plan is more than enough. But guys, you know, like, so this is how you find out. You sort of like, you know, this sort of dash and subscribe, just like with me, Jenny. Okay, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this fantastic again evolution of AI. And if you know about any other app that would be like this or even better, pop it in the comments and I would be so excited to try it. But guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you at my next tutorial. And please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.